Square root of x plus x minus 12 under square root equals to 6. Find the value of x. So this we can solve it. We send square root of x to the right hand side. So it is 6 minus square root of x. Positive becomes negative. Now let's square both the sides. So it is x minus 12 under square root whole square equals to 6 minus square root of x whole square. Now we can remove the square root with the square. So this side we have x minus 12 equals to, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So we can write it as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will be 6 square minus 2 times 6 times square root of x plus square root of x square, or x minus 12 equals to 6 square is 36 minus 12 times square root of x plus, we remove the square root with the square, so this is x. We can cancel x and x. Now we have minus 12, 36 is sent to the left hand side, so it will be minus 36 equals to minus 12 times square root of x. So this is minus 48 equals to minus 12 times square root of x. Divide both the side by minus 12. Minus minus gets cancelled. 12 and 12 gets cancelled. 12 times 4 is 48. Therefore, square root of x equals to 4. Now square both the sides. Remove the square root with this square. So x equals to 4 square is 16. Let's verify this answer. 16 under square root plus 16 minus 12 under square root. This should be equal to 6. 16 under square root equals to 4 plus 16 minus 12 is 4. 4 under square root. 4 plus square root of 4 is 2. LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, x equals to 16. This is correct. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.